Hey everyone, I'm making a quick little tutorial for you on how to make a simple transfer paper of a design. My friend came to me and she said, I have this design that I want to put on my Merida bow. I need to carve it out, but how am I going to trace it on there? And I learned this method in high school art class. So I have this design. And what I've done is cut around the design. I'm just going to do this middle part, not the edges. And I've just taken a mechanical pencil and colored on the back over where I'm going to want to trace. You can do this with any sort of pencil. Drawing pencils work better. Charcoals work okay for this as well, but they're a little bit messier. So I have my three-dimensional surface here, which I've covered in masking tape, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of masking tape on here to keep the design in place as my cat plays with another piece of masking tape that is on the other side of my bed there. And the reason that I have a box here is not just to put things on, but also to show you that this works for just transferring to surfaces that are hard to print or trace on as well. So let me tape this down a little bit better. The beauty of this is also that you don't even have to like mar the original printout or design that you have. You can actually just go over it without drawing on it, as I'll show you. Hopefully this works out. So I just have the same mechanical pencil here that I use to color in the design, and I don't even have the lead out. I'm actually just going to push on the paper like over top of where the design is, and I'm kind of pressing and going over things like a couple of times, and with a decent amount of pressure, because the whole idea here is you're literally transferring the pencil that's on the back of the paper onto the other surface. So I'm actually just going to take a peek and see how this turned out. I just did a little bit. Oh, actually didn't quite get that one triangle good enough. So usually when I'm doing this, I do stop and peek and make sure that the design is transferred as I want it to. So you can see there, I have the 4 little triangles that are in the design. And then, like I said, same thing, you can transfer it onto a surface such as a piece of cardboard that you wouldn't be able to shove in your printer. But you can also like trace over it with a pen, or you can actually have the point of the pencil out, so that makes it a little bit easier to see where you have traced and haven't traced. And of course, certain surfaces will transfer more easily than others. All right, let's see how that looks. And it's pretty faint, but I think you can see there that I transferred the plus sign part of that little symbol. So, like I said, I've been using this method since high school, and I find it to be super, super useful in a lot of situations, so I hope you find it helpful. Thanks!